As a user of automated machinery, you maintain servo motors. The most vulnerable part of servo motor is encoder. So HyperFAce encoder, whenever it fails, contact us. We have many HyperFAce encoders in stock, different shaft versions, different connector options. SICK is the manufacturer. We have many SICK encoders in stock. Now new kind of servo motors are using HyperFAce DSL as an interface. The encoder you see here, it is EKM. EKM36, and this is also in stock. So if you need any feedback system for your servo motors that employ HyperFAce DSL, contact us. We have many feedback systems in stock, not all. Whatever we have, we can share our stock position with you. If we don't have, we can arrange the one you require from SICK, and we can help you install it on your motor. Contact us with your requirement.